Good evening, friends. I'm Shakil Ahmed, and I'm going to talk about how to become great traders and investors. So, today, one important topic which I wanted to discuss with you is how to make money from the market in the most and easiest way. Friends, I generally tell to my students that making money, rather earning money from the market, is as easy as one, two, three. So I'm just telling you, this is as easy as one, two, three, four, five. Making money, or rather earning money from the market, is as easy as one, two, three, four, five. Now, what is this one, two, three, four, five? I'm going to discuss this, and within 10 minutes, if you will pay a lot of attention to this, your mindset and your subconscious mind will be trained. Your brain will be trained in such a way that you will become great trader in the world, not only in India. And friends, my main interest is to make 100 Warren Buffetts in India. So let us start this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 1 stands for B. 1 B, 2 is R, 3 is M, and 4 is A, and 5 is your M. These are the things which I am going to discuss. And friends, if you have pen and paper, please write it down. This is one of the most beautiful thing I am going to discuss as far as market is concerned. So I will start with 2. This R stands for 2 rules. There are 2 rules in the stock market. If you know these 2 rules, you are going to be great investors. This 3M, M stands for mind, money and method. Mind, money and methods. This 3M is this mind, money and methods. 4A, this is 4 types of analysis, friends, you need to do in the market, and you should strive to become expert in 4 types of analysis. A stands for analysis. And 5 means, M means methods. There are millions of methods of making money from the market. Millions of methods of making money from the market. That's why I call it 5M. Millions of methods of making money from the market. If you will know all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you will focus on that, your subconscious brain will be trained and you are going to be great investors and traders. Now, what is this 1B? I will be talking about this 1B because this is the most important concept of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let me discuss about this 2, 3, 4, 5 first, and then I will tell you about number 1, which is B. So, let us start with this 2 rules. 2 rules. There are 2 rules. Warren Buffett, the greatest investors of this world as of now, and he is one of the richest person in the world. He tells that there are only 2 rules for making great money, huge money, highest money from the market. What are those 2 rules? Rule number one is never lose money in the market. Please write it down. Never lose money in the market. And then rule number 2, the most important rule of Warren Buffett is never forget rule number 1. What a beautiful way Warren Buffett has decided to train your subconscious brain. Why? He is the greatest man and he knows how subconscious brain works for an investor and a trader. Rule number 2 states rule number 1 only. That means you have to take a decision that how you cannot lose money in the market, and that will be a separate discussion in my one of the video, how not to lose money in the market, and for which you need to pay some attention. Therefore I will be making a separate video for that. Let us go to 3M. That means mind, money and method. Friends, mind, is more powerful than anything else in the world. So, how to train your mind, I have been taking every time. Number two is money. That means how to manage your money. That means you should know whenever your trade is not as per your expectation, that your money management technique will be deciding you how to come out of the market. And number three is method. Method is nothing but the process. I will be sharing you one method through which you can make handsome profit. So several methods are there, as I will be discussing about 5M. Millions of methods of making money from the market. How many methods do you know? You just ask yourself. If you are in the market for, say for example, 5 years, and if you know 2-3 methods, that is more than sufficient for you to make huge money. But Warren Buffett knows approximately hundreds of methods of making money from the market, and I personally know approximately 15 to 20 methods which are really working for me, and you can also learn from me while attending this type of webinars and this type of video sessions from you. So mind, money and method, you have to focus on your mind, on the methods which you are going to use in the market, and you should be very much perfect in your method. So you have to refine your methods based on your personality traits. Friends, the same method may not be applicable for another person, because each person is unique and the methods will be unique for that personality. I am a trainer for NLP, I am a trader, I am an investor, I am like NLP trainer, and I take care of the mind functioning of any individual. Every unique person is individual for himself as per his personality, characteristics and all. So mind plays very important role, money management and method. The method will be unique for you only. And then let me go to 4A, that is your analysis. Fundamental analysis, technical analysis, qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Technical analysis is one branch of analysis which deals with the volume of the participants in the market, and it has got chart pattern. Pattern plays a very important role, friends. So you have to know how to decide, how to track the pattern of a company, and the pattern is nothing but the mind of the person who is controlling the company. So manager, the person who is the promoter of the company, his mind is generally played in the technical analysis. So that we will discuss technical analysis, fundamental analysis, qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. These four things will require 4 different videos, for which I will be making those videos for you people for the benefit of all. And 5M, there are, I generally write like this: millions of methods of making money from market. So why I am telling you 5 is, there are millions of methods. How many methods you know? You have to take a decision and how to make money from the market. So 1M, 2M, 3M, 4M and 5M. Please remember these 5 rules. And now last I am going to discuss about B. That is the most important parameter of using this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rule. 1 is foremost important, and please listen to this. What is this 1B? Friends, B stands for business. B stands for business. That means, friends, in the market, whoever goes in the market, there are emotions, fear and greed. Because of the fear and greed, people cannot earn money, great money, huge money, boastful money, wonderful money, because they just cannot get rid of their fear and greed. Because of fear and because of greed, they cannot make money. But so, to keep away your fear and greed, you should have your business plan. Business plan. So whenever you will come across a person, he will get some profit out of his business, because plan is there. So you have to plan your trades, you have to plan your investments in such a way that it will give you a clue of business. Like for example, you are having 10 lakhs of money, so how much every month you want to gain from that money by way of investing and trading, say 10% or 15% or 20%. You may be striving hard, you may be struggling to generate even 5% also, but then you should have a plan how much you are going to generate from the money, and that is called business plan. So this is most important. If you are participating in the market, if you have got that business plan perspective, then you are going to be a successful trader, successful investor. So thank you very much. Let me make videos on all these things. Please make a comment on this. I will be coming back again with this. Thank you very much.